Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. They sent me over this wig, but before I get started, I want to let you guys know that they also sent me over some tapes to use with this wig. They did send over some film. I was a little bit confused about the film thing because they said that it's FDA certified, that it's biodegradable, and all of these things. So I'm gonna ask them exactly what they meant about that. So the lace is 13 by 6, so you can see it goes all the way back here, and it goes all the way side to side. And the wigs recently on the market has just been 13 by 4, 13 by 4, but recently they, well, not recently, but like, you know, they come out with this 13 by 6. It goes all the way down the side and it goes all the way back, and it did come pre-curled. I did not even have to add no curls to this wig. I'm going to show you how I did some different styles. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so this is my true unboxing. So this is how it comes packaged in this. So it's pre-curled. This is a pre-curled wig. Looks like this. Oh, and then the band is right here. They put some tape on the inside of the lace already for you. So all I have to do is pull off the blue part and then just stick it down. So I'm not going to be using any glue or anything. We're going to see how the top looks, if it looks good without the glue. They already pre-cut it and everything like that. It does not come with any combs at the top. Only one big one in the back. So that's really, really good. And then it has the slots to put the band. So I'm going to go ahead and put that band just to give me some extra security. And yeah, let's see how quick we could put this on. I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on the lace on the inside. The same foundation I used on the cap, the number 15. I'll put that all inside of the wig. Okay, so I pulled off the little coverings for the tape, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig. Oh, actually, I'm going to put them back on because I don't want it to get like stuck on anything. I'll put it on first and then I'll peel it up and actually take it out. Oh, I want to show you guys also the back of this wig has that grip support thing along the line. I don't know if you can see that right here. It has like grip support. So I'm going to tighten up these bands and I'm going to put them in the slots in the back just to make sure that the wig is as flat as possible. Very, very snug, like it fits really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the little coverings, and my skin is dried, so I can go ahead and stick this down. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it down. I'm just gonna rub my finger on the tape to warm it up. Now I'm going to do the other side, and I wanted to cut this a little bit, but I'm not going to. I'll just leave it. So I'm going to take off the covering and put it down on my skin. I'm gonna just use some mousse. I really want to do a little bit of baby hairs, so I'm going to just put the foundation on the lace. And I'm going to clip the rest of the hair out of the way because I am going to do it with some mousse. And I'm going to use some of my Nairobi foaming mousse, this. And I'm going to put that all around the edges, like right here. Okay, so I'm going to tie it down for 10 minutes. or about 10 minutes. I'm gonna blow it still in between and then I'll come back. And it should be good. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it's looking. So this is the curls. So it comes in a middle part with the curls already in for you. So I'm going to just finger comb it. And I really want to just fix right here, but I'm going to come back to this look because I feel like I really want to keep it like this. But I'm also going to show you a side part. So I'm going to just take off the side. And you can see there's a lot of lace. Look at that. It goes all the way back down here. Side part. And the curls are holding up even though I'm playing in it right now. Half up, half down. Hold on. You can do half up, half down if you want. Or you could just put everything up and have it in like a ponytail or in a bun. So I'm going to put it in a ponytail. So I can do high ponytail up here. Okay, I'm going to just leave it kind of loose. So this is how it will look as a ponytail. Cute, cute, cute. And this is how it will look as a bun. So like pull these down. The back will probably look a little crazy because it's not a 360, but cute. You can wear it like that as well. But I really want to wear it in a middle part buzz down. So I'm about to hot up my hot comb and let's do that. And I want to put some layers, just like light layers. It feels really good too. I could just say it could get a little bit of a little bit of plucking at the front, but if you need on the go, quick, simple, and this is your girl. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna section out like right here, right by my ear, and I'm going to pick that up like this, and then I'm gonna just trim some of it. Literally just one little light layer and it's just like picking the hair up already. So I'm gonna do this side. 2 pieces in the front, like right here. So I'm going to do it up like this. And I'm gonna put the hair down and back. Of my wax stick at the back right there. We're using the Care wax stick, and I'm just going to lay that on the hair like that. And I want to part this going down some more so you can see the parting space is far back. They give you a lot of parting space in this way. Make sure that it's on 500. And now I'm going to flatten down this. So freaking pretty. Alright. Now I'm going to do this side. Okay. So this is how it's looking. Super pretty. I don't even have to curl it or anything because it already came curled. I could put some like touch-up curls in it, but I really don't want to. I'm going to put some of that in here. So I did not have to go in and re-curl the hair. The curls hold up really well. So you can see I just use my hot comb to flatten down the top, but for the most part the curls are holding up. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. If you're interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below. so you can see the lace one last time, how it's looking. If you're interested in this type of vibes, make sure you check out Nadula Hair. I've collaborated with Nadula Hair so many times. Like, if you guys watch my channel, I feel like 85% of my channel is literally me collaborating with Nadula Hair. They're one of my favorite people to collaborate with. They give me great vibes, great quality, and it's affordable for you guys. So thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sending me this wig. And if you guys are interested in getting this wig, I will have it linked down below. Make sure you guys check my description box so you guys can see everything that they have to offer. If there's any coupon codes, it will be down there as well. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in my next video. I'm about to go outside so you guys can see how the lace is looking in sunlight. I hope it's looking good. And yeah, after that, I'll be bye.
'Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. For me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. Nadula.